Hi there, my name's April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is just showing you some of the fabric that I got on my little fabric haul. You know how a lot of us say that we're not going to buy any fabric, we're going to only work from our stash. I've been saying that for a while and I've done pretty good. So I decided that I needed a little more novelty fabric for a project that I'm working on that requires a lot of novelty fabrics. I've used lots from my stash, but I did end up wanting to go get some more. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I looked through their fabric for novelty, and this is what I found. I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I got and what I paid for it. I hit it on a great deal and they had a great sale. Most of the fabrics were 40% off. That worked out so good. The day I went there, they had a 40% off sale. So it worked out fabulous. So I'll just show you ones that I got. So I got this bird fabric. This was from Brother Sister Designs. I just wanted a little bit more variety in the quilts that I'm making. So I just got 1/4 yard of some. Some places my daughter had been looking for novelty fabric, they wouldn't let her get 1/4 yard. So I was very lucky that they did let me. So this is Brother Sister Design Studio. This is just a little piece of bird fabric that I'll cut the birds out and put them into a block. When I was there, I hit the sale, so I only paid $1.04 for this fabric for 1/4 yard. That was a great deal. I was glad to pay that. I felt a little funny though asking for too many at 1/4 yard, so some I needed a little bit more of. But this is, what a nice fabric this is. And again, I only need some 4.5-inch blocks out of this, so this will work great. This one has turtles on it. Again, they let me get 1/4 yard with no problem. I believe I paid $1.04 for this little 1/4 yard too. Regular price per yard was $6.99, but by the time I got the sale and everything, I paid $1.04. So super fabulous. I love this one so much. If you've watched my channel, I do love cowboy stuff and cowgirl stuff, so this was great. Some little cowboy hats and cowboy boots. Absolutely adorable. $1.04 for this little 1/4 yard piece too. This was so cute. This one I paid $1.19 per 1/4 yard. And it doesn't really say who the maker of this one is. The ones that I didn't say who made it, I couldn't see it on the selvage, but I did get it at Hobby Lobby. But this one is pretty cute. This just has the truck with the little chickens and the little baskets of vegetables in front of the truck with the hay. That's going to look nice in my quilt. This one I absolutely love. This one I paid $1.19. Again, this one doesn't say on the salvage who the maker was. Cowboy boots and cowgirl boots. I just love this one so much. I will have to fussy cut this one a little bit to get to my 4.5-inch squares that I'm making, but that's okay. I'll get quite a few boots out of that 1/4 yard. This one was adorable. This one feels like canvas, and this was $1.19 for this 1/4 yard piece, and this is just mushrooms. $1.19 I paid for this little 1/4 yard, and this one was so cute. I'll fussy cut this to get the pictures that I want out of it, but I'll get quite a few out of it, so definitely worth it. Just to add that little bit more variety to my quilt. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, click down below. Now, I haven't been able to find a lot of fish fabric, and one of my future projects here, I'll be showing you. I'll need some fish fabrics. I've tried Googling and tried searching up on all of the sites. I wanted to get some charm packs of just fish fabric, but I wasn't able to. Anyhow, it doesn't matter. I'm going to be able to use this for the back end probably of one of my quilts. I'll be able to cut a few 4.5-inch squares out of these, and I'll just fussy cut them. That will give more variety in the quilt too. It came to $61 and some change. I got it for $5.99 a yard, so I got 6 1/8 yards. It came to $36.68 in the end, but that's okay. I really wanted that one. I needed some fabrics that had just fish on them or fish related. I found this one at Hobby Lobby. This one was perfect I needed something with fishing lures. So it worked out so good. I found this, and I got 3 3/4 yards of this. This was $8.99 a yard regular. It would have came to $33.71, but with the discount, I paid $5.39 a yard. I got 3 3/4 yards, and it came to $20.21 for 3 3/4 yards. But that was good because I needed to have something with fishing lures. I'm going to cut some of these up into 4.5-inch blocks, and I'm also going to be piecing a backing. I'll show you that in the future when I come back with those videos. So the grand total that it came to was $69.92, and I feel like I got a great deal, especially because I needed novelty and I needed stuff with fish. So it worked out great. If you need some ideas at how to store your fabric or how to manage your fabric scraps, I'll put some links below. You can watch those videos and maybe get some ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.